Hey everyone, welcome to this December month. I am Raina from Tarot Destination. Once again, I have come up with December general reading. This reading for the month of December, it is going to be for the masses specially. So here we are not going to do any pick a card reading. Today I am reading for the masses, how the general things are going to get impacted to the masses. I shall be using tarot cards. I shall be using my psychic abilities. I shall be using the letters and I shall be using the numbers. What are the numbers going to be highlighted in the month of December? Who will be more affected? The letters, what are the important letters? It could be a place, a name, a situation, anything. It may start with these letters. So those things we are going to check in today's video. So if you are new here, do like and subscribe our channel, and please do watch this video till end, so that there is probably some information you may get through this video which you are going to carry with you, which is going to help you in the coming time. So as we from a team Tarot Destination, we keep on saying, see, hard time is approaching. So everyone needs to be strong enough to handle the situation, because every individual, more or less, they are going to be impacted. So this today's reading, first I will talk about numerological aspects, and then we will check through the tarot, what tarot is giving the energy for this December month. So when we talk about numerology, it is a December month. December month, it is 12th month. So when you'll just bring to the single digit 1 plus 2, it comes to 3, and the year is 4, 2020. When you'll add, it will comes 4. And the personal month, then it comes this month's energy, overall energy, what it will carry, it is 7. So the December is 7 energy, it is carrying energy of Ketu. Ketu brings detachment, Ketu brings a cut, Ketu brings success also. So Ketu, you can understand in such way, Ketu is known as a flag also. You will see on the higher point of the temple or the Gurudwara or the church, anywhere. Church, I may be wrong also, but temples, Gurudwara, you can see there is a flag. You will see the pointed flag, shapes in a kind of triangle. That is a Ketu symbol. So it is called your flag also. So you will get this success also. If in your particular area, if you are getting success, so success will be in such way, you are at the highest place and people are looking at you. So it is a positive result also Ketu gives. But generally Ketu is having energy of darkness. It is having energy of aloneness, loneliness. It will make you to feel, it will create anxiety, because Ketu is not having brain. It is known as dragon's tail also. So it is not having brain, so it doesn't take any decision on time, or always it will create a anxiety in your mind, because somewhere you wanted to go right also and you wanted to go left also. So the clarity part, it creates Ketu. Ketu brings separation also. If you are having health issue, there is a chances Ketu will bring the surgery, because it is talking about a sharp cut also. And on top of that, who is sitting? The Rahu. Number 4. Year energy is number 4 and month energy is 7. It is known as 7 and 4 are the two parts of one body, dragon's head and dragon's tail. Since they are not meant to stay together, it is already created by the Devas. They have kept in a two different opposite directions, so that they cannot reach with each other. So though numerologists, they say 7 and 4, it is a good combination, Yes, it is a good combination. It will give you success, but at the same time it will get you lot of anxiety in your life. It will create lot of illusion in your life, and one time you will feel you should become a very decent person, you will follow the spirituality, but at the other hand you will think of taking shortcuts. So this is the Rahu energy. Take the shortcut, attain the materialistic thing, but Ketu doesn't represent the materialistic stuff. So both are having a different attitude. So even though they are together, since they cannot meet actually, so it will create super anxiety within the month, because month energy is Ketu. Now people who belongs from 7 number category, they may feel during this month, because the Ketu energy has doubled, so your physical desire will increase, your attraction with regard to the opposite sex will increase, because this is the work of the Ketu. You will keep on looking, you will keep on seeking the support from others, and if Ketu is negative in your chart, this tendency will increase. So this December month, many people may think of doing a love marriage, and there is a chances also they will be successful. So there is nothing wrong in doing all that. It's a nature, and we should embrace the nature. Now if I'll come to the December is having energy of 3, but this 3 energy is working under 7, and then this 3-7 is working under 4 energy, because on top of that the year energy is 4, below that the month energy is coming all together 7, but December is having its own personality, that is 3. So the 3 is not having much power is given to this 3 month in the month of December. So the Jupiter, which is represented by number 3, may not be able to give you great results, but this is not going to happen for the whole month, because till mid month this zodiac, it is ruled by the Jupiter. So till mid December you will see this Jupiter support will be there. Wherever you are stuck, the situation shall be managed somehow, but after mid December you will see the situation will become pathetic, situation will become very slow, and things may not work in a proper way, because the 8 number energy, the Saturn energy, it will come, because after Sagittarius we are having Aquarius. So Aquarius is Aquarius is having the planet Saturn, and Saturn and Rahu, they work almost, they are having the same character, but Rahu wants fast result and Saturn is not going to give you fast result. Saturn is a judge and Rahu is kind of rowdy, you can say a shortcut taker, such kind of personality, little negative we treat in numerology, but Rahu is having its own importance that cannot be denied. So after mid December, what is going to happen numerologically? Situation will become hard, anxiety will be at extreme, because Ketu is not compatible with Saturn. So the conflict will start, heated arguments may happen, and since our Jupiter is very weak in this month, so after mid month, so you will not see the effect of Jupiter much, so not much role of Jupiter over here. So after mid December, I will say people are going to feel the pain and trauma and fear, definitely, because the situation will become like that. Could be our corona will become difficult, I will say become more worst, because the situation is developing in such way. If you'll just see the astrological aspect also, the same thing you are going to see this. Numerologically, when I'm talking, the 7 is not compatible with 8, and 7 and 4 cannot meet. 4 wants fast result, 8 is not willing to move fast because it's a very slow moving planet. So what will happen? It will create a chaos. It will not allow you to do anything. Whatever you will plan, something may happen. If you are emotionally not strong, it will create problem. So what is the solution? Solution already Ketu has brought for you. Since it is a month of Ketu, so Ketu will try to make you spiritual. Ketu will try to make you religious. Ketu will off and on, it will knock your door and say you have to indulge in some chanting, some spiritual thing, because that support you need for the coming time. And Ketu, this December month Ketu, it is going to make you prepare for the future, because future also such energies they are bringing. Now I'll come to the astrological aspect. I'm not going in depth. This is astrological aspect. It is permitted by Mr. Shashank, so I'm sharing over here. When you look at the Kalpurush chart, when we are seeing the majority, the masses energy, we look the Kalpurush chart. There in the 10th house already Jupiter and Saturn are together. Both are cold planet. It will create a chaos in the cities or the places which is cold. It will become colder or coldest. Now when situation will become too much, definitely it will create problem in other areas of life. It will create a hurdle. It will create a obstacle. Once obstacle will start coming, what will happen? People will start fighting, or everyone wants to carry their resources so that they should be confident. So conflict in thoughts it will create, because everyone wants to survive. So it is a kind of, I would say, the survival fight it will start. So here and there you will find the people, they are doing extreme to safeguard themselves in terms of resources, in terms of prestige, or whatever it is. 10th house, it is related to karma. So people who were not good in past, this time this Saturn will definitely going to give punishment to them, because Saturn, we know that it is a judge. It comes late but it works. So it will do its duty, though it is late. The justice may be late, but it will be given. So people who are engaged in the wrong means, their intentions are wrong. People who believe in shortcuts and all, you will definitely see near and around you, they are facing difficulty, because more or less as per their karma they shall be penalized. So this is for sure, the time has come. Astrologically also the time has come. It will happen slowly, but it will happen, because Saturn moves very slowly, so it will happen. Now in the 10th house, Jupiter is also there, but Jupiter is not strong enough. It is in the Saturn's house, and Saturn is sitting its own house. So Jupiter is not strong enough. So again the Jupiter, the Jeev Karka, is not going to help many people. So you will see people will start the people will feel sick. They will start falling sick frequently. Lot of disease may happen. Simply people will start getting the disease, or mortality may increase, because the Jeev Tattva, Jeev Karka here, it is very weak. And Saturn, it is a time for the transition. That's the reason the Saturn is behaving like that. So we know that every time the transition time comes, and it will clean some part so that the new energies may develop, and some bad energies will be cleaned. So always you will see the transformational time has started. That's what it was told through the page. Be focused, be engaged in your good work, engage in some spiritual things, because spiritual tools, it will give you stability in your mind, so that you can take correct decision at correct time. It will not create any miracle in your life. It will make you to be miraculous. So this is the benefit of this tool over here. So now we understood how the numerology is going to give us the energy and how the astrology is going to give us the energy. Both the energies are common. Almost you will see the basic energy is common. Things will be slow, things may not work the way you want, and problems will come during this period, or in fact the coming time also, because the Saturn period, it is going to be longer. It's a slow moving planet, so you have to be very focused, you need to be very pure from inside. Now we will come to the tarot reading, and later on we will see what are the letters are popping and what are the numbers are popping for this December month particularly. Alright, so let's start. I am starting with the Rider-Waite tarot deck, and we will see. I am going to pull only 2 cards from each deck, and I will just try to find out what my tarot cards is giving the energy for the people, what our people needs to know during this December month, so that they can have the great month and they are having control on their situation, and they should succeed. I'm pulling angel message also, because I feel always we should add, if name is given angel, so we should treat as a divine's blessing, and definitely we should check. And we will see. I'm going to take out the letters also now itself, so that later on we should know how it is. So these are the numbers, sorry, letters that we will check later on. And this dice we shall use later on. So let's see what the tarot cards are talking. I'm keeping all the cards here, and let's see. Okay, so the tarot card here, you can see 9 of Wands and the Star card. It is a major arcana, so something major, transformation, wish fulfillment, changes, definitely it is talking about. Now you can see how the energies are also matching. The total of this 17, in single digit it will come 8, if I am correct. 10, 15, 16, 17, 1 plus 7 when you'll do, it will come 8. So 8 number energy, this star, this judge, this Saturn, it will come with the justice. Late you will get justice, but you will get the justice. Here the 9 number card, 9 of Wands. 9 again, it talks about a transformation. So whatever you are becoming too much protective, you are becoming too much, I will say aggressive, you are ready to fight, such kind of fiery energy it is talking about. But again, it is asking you to please change your perspective. It's a transformational number, number 9. And again, this 9, when we'll see 9, it is not matching with the month energy 7. It is a enemy number of the 7, because 7 is a very calm minded number, I would say. Always it wants to be in dark, occult related numbers basically. Always it is seeking whatever is hiding in the dark. This is the work of the 7. So you'll see the 7 number people, generally they will become a researcher. They are good in researching part. And here the 9 energy comes, it is not matching. So here you can see the person is standing for the rights, as if person is standing for the fight, and he is already hurt also. There is no much energy, I think it is left out, and as if he wants the decision. So this is the reason I said it's a transformation time. Such kind of energies the cards are giving. So this is 9 of Wands, the fiery energy, and it is having the energy of taking the revenge or taking the rights. Again, the star, it is talking about a wish fulfillment, but it is going to take time, because here you can see both the places this angel, she is pouring water. So it means somewhere the balance is missing. Once the things will be balanced, once the every area will be seen properly, then your wish shall be granted. This is the task of the Saturn. So that's the reason when you want the Reiki of all the area, it takes time. Lot of emotional energy, emotions are on top during this month. Ketu is the number of emotion, again I am mentioning here, and the star card also, it is a watery card. So the emotion wise, it is lot of disturbance you can see, or you have to balance your emotions. This is also giving a indication. Now I'll see the Rider-Waite, what message is coming. Rider-Waite, it is a Fool card, 0 number card. Again, it is talking about a beginning of something. Some new thing may happen, some changes may happen, so that the new start will take place. But it is not going to be very fast. If you will be too fast, there is possibility you may fall down. You may not see the surroundings. So care it is required. It is talking about be cautious when you are thinking to start something. Here it is talking about a transformation, ending of something. 9 is ending of the numbers. So ending of something, some transformation may happen. Once something will end, some new thing is going to start. And one new thing you are about to start, so you have to think what has to be surrendered, and instead of that, what has to be started. This is the work of this star card. Next card is friendliness, number 2 number card. It is again talking about this is a cups card, so it is again the watery energy. And number 2, it is a moon. Again, it is talking about emotions. Both are very sober. Water element and moon, we treat together. Friendliness means you need duality into your life. You need balance. It is talking about balance. Could be two different energy, but you should be in a position to balance your life. So when here I am doing the general reading, so I am not mentioning a particular area of your life, but basically I can say, after seeing this card, relationship part and your emotions, your brain, the thinking part and your heart chakra, it is going to get impacted this month surely. You may lose someone, you may miss someone too much, some major changes may happen, and you will think of why this thing has happened to me, or might be you are not ready for the a new start. But when the transformation happens, it will not knock your door and it will ask you we are going to happen. Sudden it will happen, and you should be ready to move on. So the change is the movement I can see. Here the friendliness, as I already said, if someone wants to get married, the love marriage, such kind of energies will come. So here we are seeing the relationship, here we are seeing the combination meeting of two people also. So the celebration also will happen. It's not like only the bad things are going to happen, good things also going to happen. So this is talking about a relationship. This is also confirming the new relationship you are entering and you are enjoying, but you need a balance between your emotional and the personal as well. Your mental state should be balanced. So you have to carry the duality, you have to carry the balance in your life in order to face the coming situation. And you need to be very, very polite and happy during this month. The happiness needs to be carried at emotional level, at heart level. Now let's see what is the other message. This is the another message. This is finding sanctuary. So the card says opening to your spiritual source. So again, as I said, the month rules by Ketu. So the Ketu energy, definitely it is going to work out, because it is talking about a sharp thing. And here you can see the peak of this tower. This seems to be some spiritual place where you will go and you will get the peace. So this Ketu, it is asking you to be spiritual, the sources are coming, the things are calling you, and it is a correct time to indulge in all this, because the coming time, lot of mountains and all you can see here, the coming time seems to be difficult and you need peace. Once you will be at peaceful place, you can see the brighter picture and the broader image, and the area or the ideas will come. You should be having a broader idea about this situation, and you shall be able to deal this situation well. Let's see what is the next card. Next is Valiant Courage. Take action with passion. This is an action card again, but you need to know where you are going. Again here the flag has come, which is again confirming. Here also you can see the flag has come. It is again confirming somewhere the strong energy of Ketu through the these cards also. So here it is talking about you have to take action, but you should be passionate about that. If you are not clear, don't take that way, otherwise you will have the loss. But somewhere I feel again this card is also talking about a change, location change, relocation changes, because when you are walking your place is getting changed, so your mind will also going to be disturbed or little bit impacted, where you need to have control on your mind. So this card again it is confirming relocation. So most of the people, I believe, they are going to be relocated, and for me I feel that they are going towards towards the harmony. But some people, they are relocating, or the location change is happening for the sake of treatment, I believe. I feel could be a health issue or something, and somewhere I feel the V letter is taking my attention. So the people V, somewhere they are going to be impacted, or their family member some health issues, but it will improve. So whatever the earlier might be some problem will be there, the improvement I am seeing, because this horse, it is moving forward with passion. People, and this picture doesn't seems very tiring or very boring, they are quite passionate. So improvement is there in this situation for the proper letter V people, I am feeling. Here again one thing I wanted to get here, a lot of F I could see, the finding, the fool, the friendliness. So somewhere this F letter is also going to become a big, they are going to create a big role in this December month. It could be a fiery talk, it could be I will say the conflict, somewhere related to heat. The heat is taking, the hot thing, it is taking my attention. This number 9 is taking my attention a lot, the fire kind of thing. So could be related to, it could be a fire, it could be related to anything, the place, situation, or the people. The F letter is going to create a big role, I guess, in the month of December. Basically it is taking my attention, so something major may happen. And in fact I feel one confirmation card, I wanted to take it out, whether it is already there in the situation. Yes, it is already started, and it is the proceeding in the December month. So it's not like only it is a creation of December month, it is already started and it is happening, it is proceeding further. Let's see what are the other cards. First I'll take this card, and then I will move to the angel card. So this is the relationship messages basically I made by myself. So this is the messages, religious factors. Here this card, it is talking about, it is a relation or anything, the religious factors are influencing, or the other partner could be very spiritual, their upbringing will be very spiritual. So a lot of the spiritual or religion it is talking about. So this month energy, I feel mostly the people shall be attracted, or this area is going to play a big role in their life, this is for sure. So letter R, when the religion has come, when the spirituality again and again it is popping. So I feel here the star has come, and here the 8 number card, the Saturn card, number 8 or the S letter has come. So again I feel the R and S is also having a big role over here. R will be, it will just take you to somewhere, could be it is going to give you a support, a safer place, and spirituality also, it is going to take you in a safer place. But yes, when the journey is going to be difficult, so here and there probably this S, people, situation, place is going to be impacted, very sure. Because always you will see the religion and the spiritual people are always criticized. If you don't like them, you will not like to listen them, and you will start pulling their leg. So this is also a negative attitude you will see in the people. It is happening, and it is created by negative energy. Yes, it happens. And when we are having this 4 number energy the whole year, it will create the such kind of energy only. It will create the shortcut. It will just try to make you provoke, so that you should not do good things. Such kind of number, it is having such energy, because it is a basically a materialistic number. Always you are thinking about your comfort, money, some shortcuts, some big benefits without putting your effort. Such kind of shortcuts also it brings when the Rahu is negative somewhere, and it is not supportive with the other numbers. Another card, it is getting to know each other. So in this time, December month, getting to know each other means, I think everyone, the masses are going to understand what is right, what is wrong, how they should move. Because once or twice you will be hurt, you shall understand how to walk on that particular way. Because if you are forced to walk on that particular way, you have to reach to your destination, and only one path is there, and you have to walk anyhow. Doesn't matter how difficult it is, till your last breath is there, you have to walk, and you have to try to reach to the destination. So once or twice, once you will be hurt, or you will see how the people are behaving around you, they are cheating you, or what kind of energies you should carry, I think you will learn during this month. Again, second half of the month, or after mid month, you will see the energies are going to be strong. The negative energies, I feel it is going to be strong slowly, because transformation is ready. This person is waiting with a staff, as if you will come and he will hit on your head. So get ready for the transformation. If you are not favorable for this person, definitely you will have the hit on your head, definitely. So it is somewhere, I feel, the accident, something adverse situation may be created, because you may be misunderstood this person intention. So the conflict may happen, or might be this person, the other side energy also is not able to understand you, so the conflict may happen. Let's come to the angel messages, life purpose. December month, again it is talking about the angel card. It is talking about just understand what is your life purpose. If you know and you wanted to know the life purpose, can you see here one old person, it is sitting, and it seems to be like he is a teacher of these the baby angels. So you need a guru in your life. You need a person who can just tell you what is the right and wrong at this point of time, and you need to be very very focused. You should know what you are doing, whether it is going to be good for you or not. Like this person, the person knows what he is writing on the notebook. So again, through the angel message, I feel please pay attention to the journaling. These are going to help you a lot, and you will see a great result by the journaling, because journaling helps you to control your thoughts. It helps you to understand what is happening around you. Next card is shower of abundance. Again, after this negative things, you must be thinking, since the time she is talking about negative, shower of abundance has come. Again, one letter S has come. As I told you, something negative is coming, so positives also it is coming. If your karma is good, definitely you shall be rewarded, because the Saturn is ready to give you result, and slowly it is a result time. So if your past deeds were good, you had done your best, definitely you will see the good result in the coming time. So focus on the positives. Don't think I fall sick. Think you had improved also. You overcome the hard situation and you became all right. You became healthy, or you are becoming healthy. So the positive side also it is happening. But again, when the shower of abundance we see, the coins are here, so the resources, the fight for the resources, definitely I could see it will happen, because when the shower it is happening, and if some places it is not happening, so it will create chaos. Because if you are getting lot of money also, it will create negativity in your life, because you don't know how to protect it, or could be your body language, your attitude will be changed and you will start hurting. This is the best part with the money, the Lakshmi. If it is there, you will not realize you got it through divine. But if it is not there, you will keep on chanting about divine, you will keep on asking the money. So the shower of abundance it is there. S again, it is playing a major role. So think the positive side also. Some good people with good deeds, they are going to have rewarded also. But overall the month seems to be full of anxiety, because a lot of cards we had seen the changes, transformation, relocation, a new relationship also. It creates a anxiety. Though you are happy you got married or you got a company, but later on further trouble may come, because might be the lack of compatibility, or might be the situation is happening in such way you are not able to manage with the person. So it is a such kind of energy. Now we'll see what are the letters we got in this reading today. First letter is C. S we got again. I'll remove so that you can see. Okay, S you can see here. C, M, my goodness, so many. K, F, fire. I had already said the F letter is playing a big role. L, it's G, A, I, T, A again, R, religion, already we discussed. S once again, J, it's Y, and it's D. So this December month, these letters may represent a person, represent a place, a situation, a state, a country, any personality, anything it could be. Earlier we had discussed how the R, S, F letters, how they were highlighted. So here I will see A came twice and S came twice. Whether they are going to be in a positive or negative, that I will confirm through my tarot card. Let's see what it is showing. Eight of Wands. Very fast, sudden results may happen. Some accident, again it is a fiery card, so you can see the fire, the heated things may happen, because this positive negative depends on the surrounding, whatever earlier card we had pulled. So again it is a fiery energy, lot of heated accident it is possible, or they have to create a compatibility. Somewhere I feel if they are very powerful and if they have not treated people well, they shall be thrown like this. So I am getting the energy of throwing out. It may happen through accident, it may happen, something may happen in their family, anything may happen. So sudden it will happen and very fast it will happen, so that they are not having time to prepare with. The other cards, the other numbers here we are having the, letters we are having the different, you can see here. You can just recap the video and you can check what are the other numbers, letters has come. So here we got so many letters, but these letters have come in the month of December. So probably they are going to play a big role in our life, and in this December month definitely. So somewhere these letters may create a negative or the positive. As I said, the positive negative both it is there, even with the numbers, with the situation, anything. When the negative happens, later on something positive also will happen, and when positive happens, the negativity will follow the positivity. So these letters are also going to create some major change. They will be highlighted. Yes, here I got the F, the fire. I was feeling this fiery energy. So F has come. Lot of I'm thinking the conflict will be created. Some small I would say the fight may happen, something like that. Some compatibility issue I'm feeling. The compatibility, see, again when I said the Saturn and Jupiter, they will create a cold temperature. The temperature will be very low. L we got, temperature will be low. It will create the situation will be like very chilling situation. The temperature will be low. So we got the C, the chill or the cold, anything you can call it. So I think the major this thing we got it already. We had discussed in through the tarot cards also, which took our energy. So this is coming in the picture. These are the letters which is highlighted during the December month. So you can see or you can observe how these numbers are appearing with the incident, events, the places. It could be anything because it's a general reading I'm talking about. So during this month I got only this many letters. Now we will see the dice, which numbers are popping in this month. So I will just take it out. Number 5, Mercury. Number 1, Sun. Number 6, and one last I will take the 5 again. 5 came twice here, so lot of communication. I will say that Mercury, it is a master for the communication, and wherever it will sit, it will create the multiple task. The effect will be double or triple, so because it multiplies the result. So if negative thing is happening, the Mercury will take the energy of the negativity and it will multiply. So exaggeration of the situation may happen through this Mercury. We got Mercury twice, and we got the number 1 energy and number 6 energy. 6 is the number of Venus and 1 is Sun. We know that Sun and Venus, they don't go well all together. It will create a chaos because the Sun, with the help of this Venus energy, it will create a super duper egoistic nature of yours, which creates a trouble. And when it will become too much, you shall be punished. Something will suddenly will happen. As I said, suddenly something will happen. This 9, this Mars will do something, because the 8 has to give the result. 8 has to see how the justice should happen. If it will be too much egoistic, it is going to punish you. So during this December month, I say the Venus, the number 6 people, 6 comes from your date of birth. It could be your first birth date or the total of the birth dates. 6, 1 and number 5 we got. So these 3 numbers are also going to create a major impact during this December month. 5, Mercury, it is going to create lot of positive as well as negative communication. New connections it will establish, because earlier we spoke about marriage or new connection. It creates that. It will just ask you to leave the job and get the another job, because this is the work of the Ketu, to end something and start something new. Already we got the 9 energy, ending of something. You are verge at ending of something, such kind of energies. So you may switch the job. Suddenly you may decide to leave this job and go for the another job, such kind of energy. A new assignment, suddenly it will be given to you. For that you are not prepared, so it will create anxiety and you don't know where to go, because you don't have much resources to explore, and you are not having much time to explore, so you will behave like a fool. You don't know where to go, so you will start your journey because you have to, you are pushed to start your journey. So this is the December energy. It feels like, but mostly I feel the 5 number is going to create a big role. So 5 number people majorly, and number 1, I feel they shall be affected more, because here I got this 17 number, so it is 1 plus 7, 1 there it is coming. Sun is sun only, and it is single, and it always wants its own territory. So such kind of energy the sun is having, and it is having the energy of Venus. 6 also came all together, so somewhere these 3 numbers are going to be affected. And when too much materialistic things will come, like the Rahu wants, so the 6 will be strong, and 1 will create conflict with that 6. So this December month, I feel number 1 people, number 6 people, and number 5 people, they are going to be impacted majorly, because we got it. Plus number 9 and number 8, it is going to play a major role. 9 and 8 number people, and number 1 people, number 1 is not compatible with 8. We got so many 8 of wands here, this is 8. So, and this is the major arcana, so it is having its own power. Number 1 is not compatible with 8, so again it will create a chaos for the number 1 people more. Though the number 1 is compatible with number 7 and number 4 also, but here the other energies, when you'll see, when the Saturn time will come after mid December, so number 1 people, they will see, or the number 6 people, they will start seeing some turbulence in their life. I am using the turbulence word for some reason, because here the 9 will also standing to face your bad attitude. So be polite, be honest, do your duties well, and be careful in this December month. And in fact, I feel, let's see how long this energy seems to be. Again I got the 8 of Pentacles card, again the 8 number energy. So this Saturn period, I think till the Saturn period is going to continue, such kind of energies are going to continue, and people will keep on feeling such hard situation. Again I feel all these numbers which I got it, the letters which I got it, they carry the negative energy somehow. I don't feel they carry the positive energy, because again for this the 5 has come, it will multiply the results of these letters energy. And if they are not good, and this is the card I got it for the energy of all the letters, it is 4 of Pentacles. Slow result, you may become very showy, you will start showing the different the I will say it, you will start creating the illusion for the others, or you will also feel the illusion if your name starts with these letters, because Rahu always create a miscommunication, or it creates always illusion for the people. And 8 of Pentacles, again it is like somewhere you have to maintain your situation, you cannot act much, you just manage your territory somehow, because your hands are not at all free to act, and you are very slow, you are overburdened. So this expression, you can see the person, he doesn't seems to be happy, unhappy environment, unhappy face. The situation also seems to be you are alone sitting here, and backside the society is, so you will start feeling alone, so anxiety will develop, and you may do something wrong also, or might be you are left out alone and people are not there with you just because of your bad attitude, and you start feeling that aloneness, loneliness, and you may take some wrong step also, because emotionally you are not balanced. That's the reason this star, the major arcana, has come to give you a good result. if you are doing well, if you are composed, balanced, definitely no one can stop your results and you will have the positive result. So I would request, if you could not remember the letters, once again you can watch the video. You can just write it down and do share your feedback after this December month. How do you feel? One remedy I should pull for you people, so that then this reading will be worth, otherwise it will be like incomplete. Because what the remedy we can see, if we are talking about the hard time it is coming. King of Cups. Here you can see the person is capable enough to control his emotions, and with the control emotions he's taking decisions also. So as a remedy I will say, work on your emotions. Again, it is a water card and it is a king, so you should be having mastery on your emotions. This cup represents emotions. Keep your emotions in this cup, have control on that cup, and take action with the help of staff, because you are owner of your life and you can take the decisions, right or wrong, that you have to decide. So control, work on your emotions more and more. You can follow any tool what you feel correct, but you need support of some mature personality. It could be male, female, anyone who carries such energy, like King of Cups, whose emotions are controlled. At the same time, she or he is able to give you command what you should do and you should follow that thing. So you need the help of guru. You need the you have to work on your emotions in order to navigate this month successfully. And in fact the coming time also, I think December, it is a preparation time for the coming time, because when I see the transitions and all of the other planets, I feel numerologically as well as astrologically, December month, it will make you to feel you have to decide and stand for your life, otherwise someone else may take advantage from you. So do take care. If you like the video, do share your feedback with us. Please pay attention to the numbers and the letters which is shared and the message which is given to you, and indulge yourself in the good work. Start meditating, because meditation is the easiest and the uh, free tool, I will say, which is going to help you to control your emotions. And you can just, at least you can have the control or the balance in your life. So this is the thing. But in the reading, as I said, letter A and letter S, they are highly going to be impacted, so they have to be take care. In fact, their time has already started long back, I will say, somewhere 4 5 or this 8 of Vans, it is giving me as if somewhere August onwards their bad time has started. In fact, the most of the letters, I feel their bad time has started already, and now it is becoming stronger, and they will start seeing the hard situation, hard result of that happening events, or whatever it has happened, or whatever it was working against you. And in fact, this is the time where you will get to know also what was hidden, because 7 is the number which talks about a secret, the dark thing. And during this month you will start seeing the hidden things also, because the Rahu will try to take everything out, and Jupiter also mid month it is working something, it is trying to take it out where you should be helped. But whatever, Jupiter is not having that much powerful during this time, so it is not able to do much for you. But 8, number 8, it is slowly, it is trying to give you the shock, so that still you should wake up. So it is a kind of wake up call, it has come in the month of December. So be careful. I will not say get scared. Don't be create fear within you. It is a guidance. You carry the guidance with you, and always have hope and faith in divine. Definitely good thing will happen. And so this is a general reading for the December, I will say. Majority of the people, it is not with respect to a particular state or particular place. It is a It could be a state, it could be a world, it could be a group of people, it could be a house, anything it could be. And this is a major energy, the uh, core energy, I will say, for this, for the month of December. Do take care, share your feedback, and share this video to your friends and family and more, so that if they can also have benefit, because a lot of letters and numbers are popping and they have popped up with a lot of strong negative energy, so they shall be guided. Thank you so much for watching, and do like and subscribe our channel, and keep on spreading love and affection to each and everyone. Thank you. Bye bye.